Naturally, when people think of homebrewing and kegerators, they think of beer. Should you find yourself in a position with an extra tap, here's some creative things that you can do. Instead of a full-size 5-gallon keg of carbonated water, I've shifted over to a 3-gallon keg of carbonated water to make room for more beer. When I know my 3 gallons of carbonated water are almost finished, I'll fill up a growler to get me through the day. If I run out of carbonated water in my kegerator here, I've always got plan B waiting for me right here. I like to have cider on tap for my mates while we watch football, so occasionally I toss one of these 3-liter PET bottles of it online. Check out this video I made about making super fast and cheap cider here. The wife likes to make kombucha, so sometimes we hook up a carbonation tea and a couple of stainless steel carbonation caps and throw it online as well. Ah, the kegerator. What she once feared as a disorganized rectangle of tubes, wires, and humidity, she is now embraced as our beverage lord and savior. Having a bulk stash of plain carb water on hand allows for an empty canvas of future flavors. Whenever I need a hit of hops but can't drink, hops abstracts provide a responsible compromise. These extracts are really concentrated. The best way that I've found to dose a glass is by simply dipping a toothpick in it and using that to flavor. Normies have proper soda streams, but I dislike expensive and wasteful product design. So, when I'm looking for a pseudo-sweet treat, I'll mix in some sugar-free sparkling water flavor mix. One of the benefits of this DIY option is that you can dose to your personal preference. There are really no limits to what kind of liquid you can carbonate in your own kegerator. I like to carbonate water, hop water, Diet Dr. Pepper, cider, and the wife does kombucha. But please leave in the comments below what you think might carbonate well. Please consider liking and subscribing, and see you in the next one. Absolutely none of you have been asking what I've been doing with my third tap. So if you have more money than sense, you can, okay.
I don't get that when you're one hand.